Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khambagani to all of you. Welcome to today's class. I hope all of you are wonderful, amazing, and awesome. So, guys, in today's class, which is for ICSE 10th for quadratic equations, session 3. Alright, so this session is about applications, and as you all know, applications means word problems. We see how we apply the concept of quadratic equations to real life equations. All right, so this is Gopal Paliwal, your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad. I have been teaching from the past 5 years and will be learning some amazing questions in today's class. So I hope all of you are really excited. All right, so on this, let us start the class. So the homework question says 1 upon this, oh sorry, this was your homework question which I have given you in the previous class. All right, so the past class I gave you this as your homework question. So I hope that you have solved it. All right, although the number of students who were giving the answer was very less, but I would again like to encourage all of you to give your answers for the homework question of the video, so that I'll get to know that how many of you have understood the question and been able to solve, and also you can see your name in the next session in the video. ठीक है बेटा, so please do not forget to comment the homework answer. Also, if you're getting any other doubt as well, comment that in the comment section, any other doubt you are having, so that I can take those doubts in the mentee session whenever it is available. So please don't forget about that also. And now, since we are talking about commenting, please don't forget to like the video, and on the side you can see the subscribe button is there. Please don't forget to click on that as well if you have not done it yet. All right, so the homework question was this. Let us solve this question first. Okay, so first we need to get the quadratic equation. So I saw that two fractions are there. I will take the LCM. It's very easy, right? So I have 1 upon 18 minus x minus of 1 upon 18 plus x is equal to 1 by 24. All right, so LCM 18 minus x, 18 plus x is there. So I will say here I'll multiply with 18 plus x, and here I'll multiply with 18 minus x. All right, so now we are left with 18 plus x minus of 18 minus x divided by 18 plus x into 18 minus x. So 18 plus x into 18 minus x is 18 square minus x square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square is equal to 1 by 24. Here if I'll open the bracket, so it will be 18 plus x minus 18 minus into minus is plus x whole divided by 324 minus x square is equal to 1 upon 24. Here 18 minus 18 got cancelled, x plus x is 2x. Cross multiply 2x into 24 will be 48x, and here 324 minus x square. Shift everything to that side. We have got x square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. So guys, this will be my quadratic equation. Now we need two numbers such that their addition is 48 and their multiplication is minus 324. So it is one factorization of 324 will be 18 8s are. So if I will, let's say, shift 3 over there, so 18 3s are 54, and from 3 divided 18 divided by 3 is 6, so 54 and 6. Yes, we got the pair, 54 and 6, right? So x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 is equal to 0. All right, factorization 54 minus 6 is 48, 54 into minus 6 is minus 324. So take x common, here we are left with x plus 54. Here take minus 6 common, we are left with x plus 54 equal to 0. So we are left with x plus 54 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So from here guys, I will get x is equal to minus 54, and here x equal to 6. Now one more condition, if you read the question carefully, they have clearly told x is greater than 0. So on this I will remove this condition. This will not be acceptable. So only one correct answer, that is x equal to 6. Alright, so there is only one acceptable value, that is x equal to 6. All right. So we have got the correct answer, Rashmit Hudda and Chitra Karthikeyan, who has given me the correct answer. Okay, beta. So this is how you will solve this question. Very easy, right? Now, today's class will be talking about the word problem. So let's look at some very amazing and interesting word problems. And by the end, we'll be trying to solve different kind of problems in which, say, work and time problems are there. All right, work and time, and distance and time also problems of VRB will be talking about. Then there is pipes and systems, like those tap water is filling this tank in this many hours, so if they are opening together, working together, so all these kind of problems beta will be able to solve by the end of this session. Okay, so I will try to cover all the types of problems which are there. Okay, chalo bhai, let us start with the first question. The first question is comparatively very easy. The sum of the ages of Vivek and his younger brother Amit is 47 years. The product of their ages in years is 550. Find their ages. All right, so देखो बेटा, अब यहाँ पे if you will see, sum of ages is given is 47 years. So let us take age of any one brother. Let's say age of Vivek, if I take it as x years. All right, so automatically I can say his youngest brother Amit age, but their sum is 47 years. So from 47, if I take x out, I will be left with 47 minus x, right? Then they are saying the product of their ages in years is 550. That means Vivek's age into Amit's age is equal to 550. So 47x minus x square is equal to 550. So if I shift x square and 47x there, so x square minus 47x plus 550 is equal to 0. This is my equation. This is my equation. Now we need to solve this equation. So try to factorize 550 in such a way that the addition is equal to minus 47 and multiplication is equal to 550. So solution of the equation, I think now you can do it on your own. So factorization will be minus 25 minus 22. All right. So this session I'll be focusing more on the making the equation, forming the equation, because we have the knowledge of solving it. So solution you can get in this answers as well. You can see minus 47 will be writing it as minus 25 and minus 22, and then further can be solved. Okay, bachcho, so this you will be able to see. So two answers. So Vivek's age, there go, x is equal to 25 or 22. So in this case beta, obviously if Vivek is the elder brother, if I keep x as 25, age of Vivek will become 22. But if I keep the age of Vivek as 22, Amit becomes the older brother. So only one solution, Vivek is the elder brother, Amit is the younger brother. Okay, alright. So remember, according to this question, I cannot say that the age of Vivek can be 25 or 22. I will reject this solution, because if I keep the age of Vivek as 22, Vivek's age is 22, Amit's age becomes 47 minus 22, which is 25. So he becomes the elder brother, whereas in the question, Amit is the younger brother. Okay, easy question. So this cancellation of the answer is also very important, that you understand that one of the answer, if it is not acceptable, try to reject that answer as well. This is very important. Okay, so understand all the conditions given in the question. Understand all the conditions given in the question. All right, next question better. Next question coming to your way. A trader buys X articles for a total cost of rupees 600. Write down the cost of one article in terms of X. If the cost per article were rupees 5 more, the number of articles that can be bought for rupees 600 would be 4 less. Write down the equation in X for the above such situation and solve it for X. Okay? So two parts it is. So main is writing the equation. What they have told, the trader has bought X articles for a total cost of rupees 600. So X articles, their cost rupees 600. So I can say cost of one article. will be 600 upon x, yes or no? Suppose if 10 articles cost 600, so one article will be 600 upon 10, same way 600 upon x. So this is the cost of one article. Okay, so cost of one article in terms of x is 600 upon x. Now if the cost per article was rupees 5 more, the number of articles that can be bought for rupees 600 would be 4 less. That means if I increase the cost of per every article by rupees 5, then cost of one article, then how many articles you can buy? You can buy 4 less articles. That means earlier if I was buying x articles, since the price is increased now I can buy only x minus 4 articles. So I can say, sir, x minus 4 articles cost again rupees 600. So I can say in this case cost of one article will be equal to what? 600 upon x minus 4. And this price is 5 more than the previous one. That is what the question is saying. Cost of one article is increased by rupees 5. So I can say this price 600 upon x minus 4. From that, if I subtract 600 upon x, I will say, sir, I will get 5 as my answer. Try to understand. Cost in the second case is rupees 5 more than the cost in one case of one article. Suppose in the second case, cost of one article is, let's say, rupees 15. In first case, it is 10 only. So increase in the cost of one article is of 5 rupees. So I can say cost of one article in first case is 600 upon x minus 4. And in the second case, it is 600 by x. That difference is equal to rupees 5. Simple. Now let's solve this further. So we can take LCM and then solve it further. So here I will just multiply with x and x. Here multiply with x minus 4 and x minus 4. So 600x minus 600 into x is minus 600x. Minus 600 into minus 4 is plus 2400. Divided by x into x minus 4 is x square minus 4x is equal to 5. Shift it over there. This got cancelled. 2400 is equal to 5x square. Or let us write it as 5 times of x square minus 4x, because I think it can be cancelled. Now, better cancel this. So 2400 divided by 5. So I can say, sir, first thing, 5 fours are 2480. Simple, beta. 480 is your answer. So here we'll be getting. So we have got 480 is equal to x square minus 4x. Shift 480 over there. So x square minus 4x minus 480 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 480 is equal to 0. And the factorization is very easy. It will be 24 minus 24 and 20. Okay, factorization will be very easy. Minus 24 and 20. X square minus 4x minus 480 equal to 0. So it will be x square minus 24x plus 20x minus 480 equal to 0. So I will get x into x minus 24. Here plus 20. So x minus 24 equal to 0. So we have got x minus 24 into x plus 20 is equal to 0. So from here we have got x equal to 24. And from here x equal to minus 20. Now guys, I know the cost cannot be negative. So x equal to 24 will be my correct answer. X equal to 24 will be my correct answer. Okay? So I can say, sir, sorry, this was not cost, number of articles. Number of articles cannot be negative. So first case, 24 article cost rupees 600. Okay? Now you can find out anything you want about this question. So slowly will increase the level, don't worry. Now coming to the point of distance and time. ठीक है, अब देखो बेटा, distance and time questions में it is very important to make two different cases. When if you want a neat work, a neat equations you want to make, try to make two different cases, then analyze which quantity you can pick to make equation. ठीक है, so first let's read the question and very carefully we'll read the question. Let's do the first reading. A car covers a distance of 400 km at a certain speed. Had the speed been 12 km per hour more, the time taken for the journey would have been 1 hour 40 minutes less. Find the original speed of the car. Okay, this is the first reading. I tried to get the idea. At the end I saw original speed of the car I have to find out the speed and some variation with the speed they have told. ठीक है, okay, that I got. Now second reading में I will read deeply and write all the points which are given in the question. ठीक है, first thing, car covers a distance of 400 km at a certain speed. So what is that uniform speed or the original speed that they need to find out? So obviously that will be my variable. So let's say original speed I will take as x km per hour. I got to know. I want to find out original speed, that is not given. Obviously that will be my variable. So case 1, they are saying a car covers a distance of 400 km at a certain speed. So case 1, I can say distance in case 1 is 400 km. Speed in case 1 is x km per hour, right? Then they are saying had the speed been 12 km per hour more, the time taken for the journey would have been 1 hour 40 minutes less. Alright, so second case mein beta dekho, distance is same, distance is 400 km only. They are saying that if I increase the speed by 12 km per hour, that means now the speed is x plus 12 km per hour. Alright, so in this case they are telling us that the time taken would have been 1 hour 40 minutes less. That means they are simply telling you that time taken in case 1 and time taken in case 2, since take case 2 you have increased the speed, time taken will reduce. So time taken in case 1 and time taken in case 2, time taken in case 1 is 1 hour 40 minutes more, or time taken in case 2 is 1 hour 40 minutes less, anything. So mathematically I can write it as time taken in case 1 minus time taken in case 2 is equal to 1 hour 40 minutes. Alright, what will be the time taken in case 1 and case 2? Guys, I know very well time is nothing but distance upon speed. Yes or no? So it will be in case 1 400 by x, and in case 2 it will be 400 by x plus 12. So now how neatly you see the representation. No point of confusion. Time taken in case 1 minus time taken in case 2 is 1 hour 40 minutes. Now many students might make this mistake. They might write it as time taken in case 2 minus time taken in case 1 because of some confusion. So always use this thought. Listen carefully. How to avoid that confusion, ki whether it is time taken in case 1 minus time taken in case 2 or time taken in case 2 minus time taken in case 1. So what you'll do, always remember, when the distance is fixed, if I will increase the speed, time will be less. Suppose these are the 2 points. I will say walk between them, the time taken is suppose 1 minute. Now if I'm running, so time taken will be less than 1 minute because I'm running right now. So when the speed increases, time decreases. So here in case 2, the speed increased. Obviously the time will be decreased. So time 1 is more. Time in case 1 is more. So time 1 minus time 2 is equal to 1 hour 40 minutes. ठीक है बेटा, चलो भाई, let's use this equations now. So here we have 400 by x minus 400 by x plus 12 is equal to 1 hour. I will write it like this only. 40 minutes. How do I convert 40 minutes into say hours? So it will be 40 minutes divided by 60. So it will be 4 2 2s are 2 3s are 1 2 by 3. Mixed fraction form. So here let us take LCM. So sir, if I will take LCM over here, all right, what will happen here? Sir, multiply with x plus 12. Here also multiply with x plus 12. Here multiply with x. Here also multiplied with x. So what we are getting, guys? We are getting 400 into x is 400x. 12 into 400 plus 4800 minus 400 minus 400x divided by x into x plus 12 is x square plus 12x is equal to 3 ones are plus 2, 5 by 3. Yes or no? 400x minus 400x got cancelled. So 4800 upon x square plus 12x is equal to 5 by 3. Take 5 here, 5 ones are, and it will be 5 nines are 45, remainder 3, 5 6 are 960. Cross multiply now. So x square plus 12x into 1 is x square plus 12x only. It is 1 now. And here 3 into 960. So 0, 3 6 are 18 power 1, 3 9 the 27 plus 1, 28. So final equation guys you'll be getting is x square plus 12x minus 2880 equal to 0. Okay, 2880 I will shift it to that side. So this is how I got the equation. So what is the most important part behind this? The most important part is this equation. This is the equation. This is the equation. This is the concept which gave me the equation. So that is what we need to pick. That how can I form an equation? My mind should always work that what can be done to get a relationship, to get an equation in terms of x. That is why these kind of questions are very important. Now solution guys, you can see it very well. So the solution will be 12. So 60 and 48 they are doing it. So at the end x is equal to minus 60 you are getting when you do the factorization. X is either you are getting it as minus 60 or 48. Obviously this will be rejected. Speed cannot be negative. So x equal to 48 kilometer. That means the speed of the car is 48 kilometer per hour. The speed of the car is 48 kilometers per hour. ठीक है बेटा? Simple. All right. चलो next question. Let's go for the next question. अच्छा. Before I go for the next question, guys, as you will see, what we do at all the Vedantu classes on YouTube, like we go for all the questions, how we gradually build up the difficulty level of all the questions, so that by the end, all of us get to know that, sir, this is how eventually we'll be solving the difficult problems. That strategy is very much important. That method is very important. All right, because formulas and all you'll get in any book. Yeah, you'll get it in any book you want. Like if I ask you, like, can't you get quadratic formula by any book? Yes, you can understand. You can write quadratic formula from looking at any book. All right, but where the teacher is required is when methods, strategy, all right, how to tackle the questions, tips, tricks, all are these key things where students learn a lot. All right, and in learning, doing all these things, a good mentor, a good teacher is very much important. And I do believe, I do say with this full confidence that the best teachers you'll get at Vedantu, and I hope all of you also thinks the same. So for all those students, guys, who wants to go for these courses where we go for all the tips and tricks. Now I try to do my best on YouTube. I try to give as many tips and as many tricks as possible, but still it has some limitations in case of personalization or how to interact, right? So there are some features which makes it less personal. Suppose when you are in the Vedantu's classes, we have quizzes, all these things, which is not possible over here. Live classes, I try to do that also by mentee, but suppose in a recording class, which is right now over here, I cannot take your mentee, so I don't get to know that whether you have understood it or not. All these things, your doubts, if you're getting doubts, what can be done in that cases. So all those things, beta, all these problems which you are facing here, you'll not face at Vedantu's Pro Subscription, in Vedantu's subscription courses. First thing first, let me tell you how much we are confident about our Vedantu's Pro Subscription is we are giving you Vedantu Improvement Promise. Okay? Under this beta, simple thing we are saying, you come to Vedantu, we are saying, we are not like other places where they'll say, Arey, trust me, you can improve. No. Here we are saying with guarantee, you will improve. That is the guarantee. So we are giving you guaranteed improvement. Guarantee of your improvement. We are saying definitely, beta, you will improve in your studies. If not, then what? If not, if you don't, suppose you took the course for the whole year, and suppose if you don't improve, which is very less possible, all right, which does not happen. That is why we are guaranteeing over this. Even if you are suppose not improving, in that case, simple beta, since it was guaranteed, your whole course will be free for you. all the fee which you have paid will be returned back to you without any question asked. Yes, that is the guarantee, guys, we are giving to you. ठीक है बच्चा? So what are the other features? So what are the features when you'll be taking Vedantu's Pro classes? First thing, you can take unlimited live classes. Take as many classes as you want. There is like no restriction. Take as many classes as you want, and all classes will be filled with fun and high level quizzes, right? Second thing, interaction with all the students from all the different parts of the world. So you'll be able to see where do you actually stand. Third is the like suppose even if you are watching the recording of a class, say you had a test coming and you wanted to revise it, so during 12 o'clock you are doing the watching the recording of a class at night, suppose, for your revision. Now in that recording also, beta, when you are doing your revision, you can attend the quiz questions. Yes, I am saying you right, you can attend the quiz questions even while watching the recording. So in that way, what's going to happen is, like the recording, watching the recording also is not going to be a monotonous thing like we are doing it right now. There also you can attend the quizzes even while watching the recording. Suppose you can just think of it like in the recording class also you can attend Menti, all right, and you'll see your name in the leaderboard, everything. So any class you'll be going, beta, you'll be able to attend the quizzes and see how much you have improved in the concept, all right. Then you'll get notes, quantity test, assignments, so that you don't have to go for thousands of places to see which questions are important, which are not. All the important questions you will get at one place, all right. Also, whenever we are in the live class, we do know that doubts are a very integral part of the class. I would be wrong to say that like the way we teach, no one ever gets any doubt. No, you will get doubts, right? You only get doubts when you start understanding the concept. Yes or no? Obviously, right? If someone is telling you that I'll teach you in such a way that you will never get any doubt, that means they are just making you a fool. You will always get doubt. That's what we as a teacher want to do. We may want to make you more curious. Whatever I have taught, from there you have understood. Then you might think something outside that's also a doubt, right? So doubts are the most important thing and the most integral part of a class, and they needs to be addressed, they need to be answered. That is why, beta, in all the classes other than the master teachers, we have dedicated set of teachers who will be taking care of your doubts. So whatever doubt you are getting in the real time, ask in the chat panel and they'll answer your doubts. So you don't have to wait till the end of the class or for some days to get your doubts answered. It will be done instantly. All right, and also there is a scope of unlimited micro courses. You can attend as many micro courses as you want, and crash courses, everything will be like no need to pay anything extra. And micro courses, crash courses helps you to say at starting, when I have told you can attend as many classes. Here you can study a topic as many times as you want. Suppose quadratic equations you have studied 2 months ago and you forgot it. Don't worry, yaar. Take the micro course of quadratic equations and read it again. Alright, with the live classes as well. So you can study a topic as many times as you want. So all these features will be available to you at a very genuine price. For that, guys, you just have to go to the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. The link is given. Just click on that and apply the coupon code GPE Pro to get 10% off. To get 10% off. All right. So let me quickly show you that how can you go and register yourself for the course. Suppose this is the video. In the description box as well as in the pinned comment, you can see subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. This link is given over here. Click on this, or in the description box here. Register for Vedantu's Pro Subscription. Okay, beta. So just click on this. Once you have clicked on this, you can here see grade 10th ICSE 2022. Now, if you want to change, click on edit. All right, you can change your grades. You can change your board. Once you are done, click on get started. Now, we have 3 courses: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. Pro Lite is the most basic course, which all the features which I have told you till now. So all the features which I have told you till now are present in the most basic course, Pro Lite. Live classes, test series, assignments, notes and doubt solving in the classes. Pro Classic has one extra feature, that is doubt solving on mobile app. So even after the class, you are getting any doubt, just click the photo of the doubt and post it in the doubts app. You will get the solution and explanation for that. Okay? Third one beta Pro Plus. Pro Plus has one more extra feature than Pro Classic. So Pro Plus has doubt solving on mobile app also, plus personal mentor. So personal mentor, you can think of them as your, say, coach, teacher, motivator, guide, supporter, any role you want, any doubt you have, academic, non-academic, you can always go to them and they'll be the first person to help you. They'll be like your support system throughout this journey. All right. So the prices for all the three courses are mentioned over here, guys. You can go for anyone, whatever feature. Suppose whatever basic courses I have, features I have told you, you're good with it, go for Pro Lite. If you want, nahi sir, I want doubt solving on mobile app also, take for Pro Classic. And if you want, nahi sir, I need more support system, I need that someone is always there to hear me, go for the Pro Plus. It's all upon you. Okay? But classes, everything will be same. All right, it's not like the classes are different. These are other than classes features. So classes are going to be same for all. Pro Classic get mobile app, doubt solving app, and the Pro Plus get personal mentor. So the fee is mentioned over here. You can try it for 1 month. If you are still not convinced, which I think should be, the chances should be very rare, because Vedantu improvement promise is also there. All right, so if you want to see whether online education will work for you or not, you can try it for 1 month. Once you are convinced, buy the complete course. Now suppose if this whole price is, let's say, like big more to pay altogether, don't worry guys, we have EMI options also, and which is starting at as low as 2287. All right, so all the courses, all the subjects will be covered, that too with the best of the teachers, very genuine price. And those who can afford it, you're more than welcome guys to enjoy and have an amazing experience and see the studies you have never seen before. All right, ठीक है बच्चों. So this is how you can register for Vedantu's Pro subscription. Now let's move ahead with the next question. Next question is, rupees 480 is divided equally among X children. If the number of children were 20 more, each would have got rupees 20 less. तो अब देखो बेटा how the question works. देखो, first case, in X children, we have distributed total rupees 480. So how much each children got? So one child will get 480 upon X. Case 2. In case 2, 20 children are more now. So there are X plus 20 children. Same money, 480 rupees, 480. I have distributed between them. So now I can say in this case, each child will get 480 upon X plus 20 rupees. Alright. And they are saying the case or the rupee, the money or the amount received by each child is 12 less, minus 12. It is reduced by 12. So I can say in case 2, they are getting less amount. Alright. So I can say money in case 1 is 12 more than money in case 2. So money by each child in case 1 is 480 by X. From that, subtract 480 by X plus 20. And the difference between them will be 12. Alright, so now we can start with taking LCM. So here you can multiply with X plus 20, here also X plus 20. Here you can multiply with X, here also you can multiply with X. Alright, so what we are getting now? 480 into X plus 20. 480 into X is 480X. 480 into 20. So plus 0, 0. 40 into 2 is 96. 100 minus 480x divided by x square plus 20x is equal to 12. Okay, 480x, this got cancelled. 9600 upon x square plus 20x is equal to 12. I can say it is 12 ones are, and it will go in division over there. 12 eights are 800. So you'll be getting 800 is equal to x square plus 20x shifted over there into 1. So same thing, x square plus 20x. Shift 800 over here. So x square plus 20x minus 800 is equal to 0. Minus 800 equal to 0. So now again the factorization is very easy. 40 and minus 20. So we have x square minus 800 equal to 0. So I'll say x square plus 40x minus 20x minus 800 equal to 0. Take x common, x plus 40. Take minus 20 common, x plus 40 equal to 0. So we are getting x plus 40 into x minus 20. From here, x will be minus 40 and here x will be 20. Obviously, this will be rejected because number of children obviously cannot be negative. So, how many children are there? X is equal to 20. How many children? X equal to 20. 20 children are there. ठीक है? Next question देखो. अब देखो बेटा, now the last two questions which I am taking. These two are very important. This one is based on time and work. The next one will be based on those tap, water is flowing, pipes and cistern types of questions. We say that. Okay. So first one, what it says, Mohan takes 16 days less than Manoj to do a piece of work. Okay. What Mohan is doing? Mohan takes 16 days less than Manoj to do a piece of work. If both working together can do it in 15 days, in how many days Mohan alone completes the work? देखो simple सा question है बेटा. Out of Mohan and Manoj, Mohan is taking 16 days less than Manoj to complete a piece of work. So suppose if Manoj takes, or we have to find out how many days Mohan alone completes the work. Okay, so let's take the number of days Mohan takes is x. Alright, so let's say Mohan alone completes one work in, let's say, x days. In x days. So Manoj alone completes one work in how many days? By Manoj, Mohan is taking 16 days less than Manoj. So in a way, I can say Manoj is taking 16 days more than Mohan. So it will be x plus 16 days. Guys, it is very important. देखो, अब some of you might tell me कि sir, I have taken Manoj as x. So will my answer be wrong? No, it will not be wrong. At the end, your Mohan and Manoj, whatever values, number of days they complete the work in, that will be same. Only thing is your equation will be different and values of x will be different, because if you take Manoj as Manoj as x, number of days for Manoj as x, in that case x will be representing the number of days for Manoj. If I take Mohan's number of days as x, so it will represent Mohan's quantity. So the values of x might change in both the methods, but at the end, how many days Mohan is taking, how many days Manoj is taking, that is going to be exactly same. Okay? If you want, you can try this question one more time by taking Manoj, how many days Manoj takes, taking that as x, and then Mohan's days will be x minus 16, and solve that in the same manner. At the end, you will see the same answers. Okay? Try that also to get the doubt out कि भाई whether the answer will be same or not. Try that. ठीक है? अब बेटा देखो, here the concept is very important. Try to understand. Whenever I am talking about time and work, time cannot be added. For example, let's say I and you are working together. ठीक है? So we both of us come, or say let's say you and I both are there, and what happened is, suppose I complete a work in 10 days. I complete a work in 10 days when I'm working alone. You are completing a work, you are completing that same work alone, and you are completing it in 20 days. Okay? I am completing it in 10 days, you are completing it in 20 days. Now, when both of us are working together, it is not like it's a 10 days yours, 20 days mine, so total 30 days will complete the work. No. That when we are working together, number of days will decrease, because now there are two people working on that same task. Right? So time is not added over here. What can be added is our work. Suppose you do, let's say we have been given a work of making chairs. So let's say every day I can make 2 chairs. Every day you can make 1 chair. So when both of us are working together, we both together can make 3 chairs in the day. So work can be added. That is why in the time and work questions, beta, all the equations are formed in terms of work. You have to find out work. So idea, try to understand the idea what I am saying. Okay, I can say for Mohan, one work, or in x days, one work is completed. Alright, for Mohan, one work is completed in x days. Or I can say in x days he complete 1 work. For Mohan, x days he completes one work. So if I ask you in one day how much work he will complete, so you will say, sir, 1 by x of the work, yes or no? For example, let's say guys, I told you I had work of making 100 chairs. I have a work of making 100 chairs and I completed that work in 10 days. So how many chairs do I make every day? You'll say simple, sir. 100 chairs is your work. Number of days is 10. Work divided by time. So 100 chairs divided by 10 days. Every day you are making 10 chairs. Same way beta, here I have one work which I completed in x days. So in one day how much I complete? 1 by x. Simple. So 1 by x work Mohan completes every day. Similarly, for Manoj, I can say Manoj completes in x days. Sorry, Manoj complete in x plus 16 days one work. Manoj completes in x plus 16 days one work. So in x plus 16 days, he completes one work. I can clearly say, then sir, in one day how much work? In one day he'll be completing 1 by x plus 16 work. In one day he'll be completing 1 by x plus 16 work. Okay, beta. So now I got to know how much work do they do when they are working alone every day, which is very important. Alright, because now when they are working together, I can add the work which they are doing. Alright, now it is clearly saying that when they are working together, they finish it in 15 days. So I can say, so together when they are working, in 15 days, they finish one work. In 15 days, they finish one work. So in one day, how much work they will do? How much work they will finish? They will finish 1 by 15th of the work. This much work they will finish. Alright, so now I can say that means working together. Working together means whatever work Mohan has done and whatever work Manoj has done, if I add these two, then I will say it will be equal to their total work done over here. So I can say work done by Mohan in one day is 1 by x, work done by Manoj in one day is 1 by x plus 16, and it will be equal to total work which they complete together, which is 1 by 15 work. This is how you get your equation. This is how you get your equation. We don't add time, we add the work. So work done by Mohan in one day is 1 by x. Work done by Manoj in one day is 1 by x plus 16. And work done by them together is in one day is 1 by 15. So I can say that together work which they have got, in this Mohan has also worked some part and Manoj has also done. So add Mohan's and Manoj's work, 1 by x plus 1 by 16 is equal to their together work done in one day. Okay? Now we just have to solve this equation. So I have 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 16 is equal to 1 by 15. Alright, so here I will multiply with x plus 16, here also with x plus 16, here I will multiply with x and x. So I will be getting x plus 16 plus x divided by x square plus 16x is equal to 1 by 15. X plus x will be 2x. 15 shifted over there, 2x into 15 is 30x. 15 into 16. 15 5s are 225. In that add 15, so 230, 240 is equal to x square plus 16x. Shift everything over there, so we'll be getting x square plus 16x. 30x shifted over here will become minus 30x. 240 will become minus 240 equal to 0. So we have got x square minus 30 plus 16. Sorry, so x square minus 30 plus 16 will be equal to so it will be equal to 10 minus 20 and minus 14. Sorry, so minus 14x minus 240 is equal to 0. Okay, beta? This is how this question will be done. Okay, now we need to factorize this further. So x square minus 14x minus 240 equal to 0. So I can clearly see minus 24 and 10 splitting. So minus 24x plus 10x minus 240 equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 24. Take plus 10 common, x minus 24 equal to 0. Wait. Correct. So we have got x minus 24 into x plus 10 equal to 0. So from here we have got either x is equal to 24 or x is equal to minus 10. Obviously beta, number of days cannot be negative, so this will be rejected. So x is 24. What I have taken x beta? X is number of days Mohan takes to complete the work. So Mohan complete the work in 24 days. Manoj complete the works in 24 plus 16, which is 40 days. Okay? And guys, remember, when they are working together, they are completing it in 15 days, and 15 is less than both. So it has to be there that when they are working together, the time should be less than when they are working alone. Obviously, this is logic, right? If two people are working together, they'll complete it in less number of days. Alright, so this is how this time and work questions are solved. Okay, beta? So we add the work. Same logic is applied. The same logic is applied for this cistern and pipes and cistern questions. Same thing, beta, same logic I will apply. Now here, let's say one pipe can fill a cistern in 3 hours less than the other. So one pipe is filling a cistern. Cistern means any container, you say. So one pipe is filling a container in 3 hours less than the other when they are working alone. Alright. So two pipes together can fill the cistern in 6 hours 40 minutes. Find the time that each pipe will take to fill the cistern. So isn't it like this? One person completes the work in 3 hours less than the other. Alright. If both of them work together, they complete the work in 6 hours 40 minutes. Find the time each alone will complete the work. Try to see. Same relation is there. Alright. It is same. So let's solve by the same method. Guys, I will say, let's say pipe 1. Pipe 1 fills the cistern in, let's say, x hours. So other takes 3 hours less. So let's say pipe 2 fills the cistern in 3 hours less. So let's say x minus 3 hours. Alright. So in this case, beta, you can clearly see pipe 2 is taking less time. Pipe 2 is taking less time means pipe 2 is bigger, comparatively bigger. If you take pipe 2 as x plus 3 and you are saying ki chalo pipe 1 taking less time, in that case pipe 1 will be the bigger pipe. So here pipe 2 is bigger because suppose pipe 1 takes 10 hours, pipe 2 takes only 10 minus 3, 7 hours. So quickly it is filling, so pipe is bigger. Okay? Ab dekho beta, same logic again for pipe 1. I can say, sir, for pipe 1, I can say, sir, in x hours, it fills one container, right? One cistern. So in 1 hour, how much it will fill? In 1 hour, it will fill 1 by x of the cistern. Cistern means any container. Okay. For pipe 2, again same thing. X minus 3 hours, it fills one cistern. Alright. So in 1 hour, how much it will fill? It will fill 1 by x minus 3 cistern. This much cistern it will fill. And again, if they are working together, suppose if I have two taps, one tap say pours say 10 liters of water every hour. It will take 10 liters water will flow every hour. In second tap, 20 liters water flow every hour. So if I open both the taps together for 1 hour, I will say 10 liters will come from here, 20 liters come from here, total 30 liters. So same logic I will say. So together 6 hour 40 minutes. Here 6 hour 40 minutes I can write as 6 hour 40, I can write as 40 by 60, which means what? 2 by 3. So it is 6 2 by 3, 3 2s are 18. So sorry, 3 6 are 18 plus 2, 20 by 3. 20 by 3 hours. Okay, this conversion of time. So together when they are working, I can say in 20 by 3 hours, they fill one cistern completely. So in 1 hour, how much they will fill? Shift 20 by 3 over there, it will become 3 by 20. So by 3 by 20 of the cistern they will fill. Obviously, time will not be added, but how much water they are pouring or how much cistern is filled, that will add. So I can say that, sir, whatever cistern was filled by them alone, how much of water they have poured to fill it alone, if I add both, I'll get what they have done together. So I will say alone, this much water has come from pipe 1 this much water or this much cistern is filled by pipe 2. Together they have filled 3 by 20. Bas, solve this now. What else? Nothing. So here multiply with x minus 3, x minus 3. Here multiplied with x and x. So we will be getting what we are getting, guys. We are getting x minus 3 plus x upon x square minus 3x is equal to 3 by 20. So 2x minus 3, we are getting 2x minus 3 upon x square plus 3x. Sorry, x square minus 3x. X square minus 3x is equal to 3 by 20. Cross multiply, we will be getting 3x square minus 9x is equal to 20 into 3 is 60x minus 20. Sorry, 20 into 3 is 40x. 40. Simple mistake I am making here. But it is important to identify your own mistake. I got to learn some mistake. Don't be like, you caught your mistake. Very good. 22 minus 3 is minus 60. Shift everything over there. So 3x square minus 49x plus 60 equal to 0. So sum should be minus 49. Multiplication should be 63s are 180. So 180 we can get by 45 into 4. So 3x square minus 45x minus 4x plus 60 equal to 0. So I'll say, so take 3x common over here. We are left with x minus 15. Take minus 4 common. X minus 15 equal to 0. So finally, beta, we have 3x minus 4 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. So beta, from here, we have got x is equal to 4 by 3. And from here, we have got x equal to 15. Yes or no? So I now know both the values are positive. What many students do, they say both the values are correct. But remember, both the values are not correct. Out of these two, I will eliminate this value. X is equal to 4 by 3. Now I want you to think why this value will be eliminated, and if you are able to figure it out, do let me know in the comment section below that how x equal to 4 by 3 is eliminated, or why we have eliminated the value of x equal to 4 by 3. Okay, let me know the answer for this in the comment section below. Alright bachcho, chalo. So this is how the different types of questions we can solve. I am giving you one homework question. This is a very good question, beta. Try to solve this question. All what I have told, try to use all those methods, all those tricks that will help you in solving this question. And you all know where you'll submit the answer. You'll submit it in the comment sections. Right? So I'll wait for all of your answers in the comment section. Please don't forget to write your answer in the comment sections. Okay, bachcho. So this is all in today's class, and as you all know, I have already told that you can register for Vedantu's Pro Subscription by the link mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. GP Pro is your code to get 10% off. Alright guys, and the features I have told you, and remember guys, the price which you are paying is not only for completing your syllabus only once. You can study a topic as many as you want, so you can take as many classes as you want. So that means there is unlimited micro courses. So you can study a topic as many times as you want. You can do your syllabus as many times as you want. So it's not like only once we will do revision, only once we will do course. No, complete your syllabus as many times as you want. Also, Vedantu's improvement promise to get your confidence. Simple beta, guaranteed improvement. We are saying that you will improve instead of you can improve. No, you will improve. We are taking the full responsibility and ownership of your studies. All right. So guaranteed improvement in your marks, visible improvement in your marks. So for that, only thing beta, you should be with a long-term student. Long-term student means you should be with us for the whole year. All right. Suppose if you'll come for the last 1 month, so that time teaching everything in whole 1 month, and like that will be quick. So there are chances of increase, but there your hard work also will be very much required. But if you are being with us from the starting, we make sure we take the guarantee. All right. So long-term student also attend 75% of the classes and 75% of the test, which is like very rare. We know sometimes there are some issues of where students have to go somewhere out or some personal issue, when they cannot attend the class. That is why 75% of the attendance only we have told. Attend this much, we take the guarantee of your improvement. All right. So this is all beta in my class. The batch is already started. Please join quickly so that you get enough time to complete your syllabus in a very good manner. All right. So thank you so much, guys. I hope all of you enjoyed it. And before you go, please don't forget to like the video, share karo friends ke saath mein, and subscribe to the channel. You can see the button down there, the red one, right? And press the bell icon as well. All right. So thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye, guys.